webinars are passé. If not yet, in the future it will be. Live interactive workshops are going to be in, where people have realized now that if they want a breakthrough, they cannot be listening to in a webinar mode where it's not participatory and inclusive.
So when I joined Bhaskar Sir's Freedom Emperor program, I was just a set of lots of ideas. That's all. I had this idea, that idea. It was a cluster of ideas. And from there, now I can confidently say that I know my goal. There is clarity of goal. I know the components, for me to reach this goal, what all things should I do? And how do I go about it in a very systematic and consistent manner?
Commit for action. Results will show up. We are standing by you on it.
Hi, my name is Bhagyalakshmi. I am on a mission to empower 1 lakh Indian freshers to lead a healthy life by awareness of health insurance with its real life scenarios and untold secrets and pains with my lifelong hand-holding services in need. I call myself a health insurance awareness specialist.
Time is now. Action is now, and we are there to support. We're there to support, and the launchathon is starting. Okay? Launchathon is starting. In the next 30 days, we will take you through step by step and start getting you the audience and the ROI, and the machine is on. The online empowerment machine is on.
3 days, hugely impactful. I still believe that it's only the tip of the iceberg, but the 3 key areas that I have learned and that's going to help me in taking this forward is the 5 whys. I think that helps you basically get started in terms of fundamentals. The resource guide in terms of the tool that you shared, that is a track.io, and the publishing and the get response that was taught to us today. I must reiterate that this has just been seen on the screen and learned. I think lots to do, but I think it's absolutely got me a lot more confidence than before I started on this.
Correct.
Thing is that the most important part, which is the aha moment, which for me I feel about that blue
ocean.
Blue ocean. That's the main part. But if I understand those things, if sitting in my office monitoring all those things, I'll get a residual income which will have an exponential growth. So yes. that is the main part. A part of mine. So whenever I go for a meeting with a customer, so I have to give my time, energy, everything, and then after that the business happens. But over here, if supposing I cater to 100,000 people, so whatever email which I have, so at least 10% that comes to me, then my income will grow like anything. So that is the most aha moment for mine, and I want to capture that. And whatever recording you have, I'll do that. It's a promise from my side, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
So today, when we did the landing page, I understood the importance of each step. You always ask us to be the Facebook group, LinkedIn, make that presence. So now when we were shown landing page where we can share the link, it's very, very useful, because whatever we have done, they would get resource guide plus all these links can be very helpful. So my aha moment is how each step is important. We have to do all that.
Systems work, people fail. And to have the right systems to work, we have so much automation and sequencing and mail stuff that we can do in a very simple way. Fill it, shut it, forget it. Set it up, forget it.
I've been taking this as more a personalized approach. Okay, that's one. And having come across this membership approach as well, that was something which really. So in smartphone photography, I have about 521 students who have already passed out. So when the student goes through the course, I have a 30-day program that I do with them. That means every day there's a nugget that has been sent. So right now what I'm doing is I'm manually trying to take this approach. Sometimes when I'm traveling, it might be 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, the email goes or the WhatsApp message goes. I think, the get response and the automation will really help me to, customize this for the next 30 days so that I don't have to bother about sending it late or, sending too early. So I think, that's a wonderful thing that I've learned through this workshop.
This particular session, this is something really remarkable. And, there is a lot of belief has just started coming into us, saying that actually it's, hand-hold kind of a walking is going to be there. And that's something amazing. I think it's a personally guided guidance. I don't know it's anybody in the world has just did that before. I think this is something remarkably great. And I think there is a lot of systematic oriented approach is there. So I think this time we will have a well-established business online with us, and we could able to empower. I think I am ready to walk with you towards our mission. I am sure money is a byproduct.
If I might just share an example, the reason why I came into this coaching business was because I started off by asking for a coach. I wanted a coach because when you are an MD, you don't, the buck stops with you. So I need someone as a coach. So that's why, I'm 52 now, but I don't want to wait till I become 60 and then start coaching. I want to start, now. So I need to start this hustle over the weekends. So I'm ready for my plan B. Really thank your group and really thank and appreciate the work that you're doing, Pastor. And I must thank also Satya and your team. They're doing a fabulous job. I will reach out to them when I need them most.